My name is Philip Mann. I'm the Director of Public Works for the City of Gainesville. I also represent the American Public Works Association on the Public Safety Advisory Committee of FirstNet. So the Public Works Department uses FirstNet in our daily operations. Perfect example, we had a squall line of storms go through. It had a major impact on the community. We use the FirstNet service for our response. If we've got trees blocking roads, police and fire can't get to citizens who need help. Our utility company can't get to down power lines to restore power, which then affects people who are on life support systems at home that are shut in that need that. So it's amazing how one little thing like cleaning up trees can tie into so many people's lives. So we are using FirstNet on both our cell phones and on our iPads. It's much more efficient for us to be able to send things out electronically than having to get on the radio and say, hey, Jim, are you finished? When they complete a work order, they enter it in the system, it comes up, shows that they're available, we dispatch them to the next thing. We call it restoring Lifeline services. It allows us to restore Lifeline services to the community in an efficient manner.